Alright, what's happening, y'all? This your boy Keenan. You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking. And I had a couple chickens and some seasonings that I got off Amazon. Link is going to be in the description. And check out what I did. I already prepped them up, and I'm just going to run through what I did step by step. It's real easy to do. Check it. So I got these two chickens here. This one right here, I got that bad boy seasoned with some of this Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse rub. Yeah, chicken seasoned with the Buttery Steakhouse. And I took a mixture of a half a stick of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of the rub, and then 2 tablespoons of this Mike's hot honey. I got this from Amazon as well. And I went on ahead and I basted all in the inside. I lifted the skin up and basted inside the breast, inside the cavity, and then I did a light coat on the outside just to get it started with some smoke and some color. I don't want to put too much sugar on it because it'll burn. Okay, watch that. This one is seasoned with the Kinder's brown sugar rub. I love this stuff right here. And then I took a mixture of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of the rub, and 2 tablespoons of this Kinder's sweet and spicy teriyaki. Mix that up, and then I baste it all inside the breast, all inside here, all inside the thighs, all inside the cavity, as well as a light coating on the outside. The teriyaki one is a little bit heavier. And I didn't put any anything in my water, because I really want to taste what the smoke is going to do with this little combination I got. The smaller one with the Steakhouse butter rub, we're going to put that on top. And so it's the little gizzard and the neck and all that. Okay, so it's been about a good hour. And we got a little color going on there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start basting. Just basting it up. This is gonna be good. So I got everything switched around. I'm just basting this up. Real nice. I wrapped the other one at about 140. Check this out. Okay, this is the one. Look at that, man. That's just, the bird is the word. This is the one that was seasoned and basted with Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse along with Mike's hot honey. And I mixed those both with unsalted butter. And boy, that ain't dry. Woo. Yeah. Let's look at this bad boy. This is the one that was basted with the Kinder's sweet and spicy teriyaki along with the Kinder's brown sugar rub. And then the base, I just mixed both of those with some unsalted butter. And boy, look at that. Ooh, boy, look at the colors on these bad boys. I'm trying to tell you. I mean, I got a basic little plate here, and I just want to show just how tender the breast is. And I didn't put no juice or nothing on that. I mean, that bad boy is real good. So thanks to these right here. The link will be in the description. So you guys can go ahead and check this out and put it together just as I did it, or come up with your own combination. But it's time for some tasting. So let's get a little taste. It's like good choices here. So this is the one with the Buttery Steakhouse and the Mike's hot honey. I mean, that's so tender, like you eat it cold for lunch meat. Man, that's good. The Buttery Steakhouse was on point. That honey just came in and smoothed it out. And added to the little spice to it. And it made it real tasty. Black eyed peas. On point. This is the sweet and spicy teriyaki and the brown sugar rub Kinders. Yeah. The combination of the brown sugar and teriyaki sauce is on point. I could see that being used on some ribs. All right. This is good. Nice for the chicken dinner. And just to show you how tender the chicken was. My wife went to cut the leg and just came out. All right, appreciate everybody checking me out. Don't forget to check me out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Shout out to everybody that's been checking me out right now. You know what I mean? It means a lot to you, boy. And this chicken is amazing. Everybody be safe, be cool, be smart, respect each other's space and decisions.